Looking for ways to elevate your Christmas cocoa? Welcome to the world of gourmet hot chocolate bars, a place where the rich quality of chocolate meets an array of decadent toppings and exquisite presentation. Stay tuned to learn how to create your very own gourmet hot chocolate bar. The heart of any hot chocolate bar is, of course, the chocolate. To make your cocoa truly decadent, opt for high-quality chocolate. Dark, milk, and white varieties each offer unique flavors. Remember, the better the chocolate, the richer your hot cocoa will be. Now let's get to the fun part, the toppings. What's a gourmet hot chocolate without a mountain of marshmallows or a dollop of whipped cream? But why stop there? Crush some candy canes for a minty kick, sprinkle some chocolate chips for extra richness, or go wild with colorful sprinkles for a festive touch. The possibilities are endless, and the joy of creating your perfect cup of cocoa is in experimenting with these delightful toppings. Remember, the more toppings, the merrier your hot chocolate bar. Finally, it's all about presentation. The allure of a gourmet hot chocolate bar lies not only in its taste, but also in its look. It's like setting the stage for a grand performance. A variety of mugs, each with its own character, adds a personal touch. Clear jars for toppings let the colors and textures shine through, beckoning for a taste. A festive tablecloth or runner ties it all together, creating a feast for the eyes. With a little effort, your hot chocolate bar can be as visually stunning as it is delicious. Now you're ready to create a gourmet hot chocolate bar that will impress your guests this Christmas. Remember, quality chocolate is key, and a variety of toppings can take your cocoa to the next level. Don't forget the presentation, it's all part of the experience. So wrap those mugs in a festive bow and let the holiday cheer flow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gourmet food tips and tricks. Happy holidays!